Hey guys, what's going on? Tahir here, and welcome to this video, InstantlyClaw review. In this video, I will show you all the features of the software, a full demo of it, and also the unique bonuses that I've put together for you to help you get the most out of Beetle. And bear in mind that you won't find these bonuses anywhere else, so please stay until the end of this video so you can check them all. And now I'm inside the members area of Beetle, as you see. Are you ready to step into the future of AI automation? The world's first one-click hosted OpenClaw system that lets you deploy a powerful multi-agent AI team in just 60 seconds. Stay tuned as I walk you through everything you need to know about this amazing software, its features, and how it can help you grow your business effortlessly. InstantlyClaw is a game-changing AI software designed for businesses, agencies, and entrepreneurs who want to automate their workflows without the hassle of complex technical setups. With over 140,000 stars on GitHub, OpenClaw is the hottest open-source AI project of 2026. But here's the problem. Setting it up manually is a pain. It requires Docker, terminal commands, API keys, and hours of work. Well, InstantlyClaw changes all that. How InstantlyClaw works in 4 steps. Step 1. Choose your AI platform. InstantlyClaw gives you access to a wide range of AI agent platforms, including OpenClaw, NanoClaw, PicoClaw, and more. With just a few clicks, you can choose the platform that best suits your needs. Step 2. Deploy the AI system once you've selected your platform. Simply hit deploy, and within 60 seconds, InstantlyClaw sets up a fully functional, hosted AI system for you. No servers, no coding, and no technical setup required. Just one click and you're ready to go. Step 3. Access pre-built AI agents. InstantlyClaw comes with 9 pre-built AI agents in a company hierarchy, including a CEO, managers, and workers. These agents are equipped to handle tasks such as sending emails, creating documents, SEO research, and much more. Step 4. Start using the AI for business. Tasks. Your AI agents are ready to take over business workflows, from managing emails and social media to performing SEO research and generating reports. The best part? You can also integrate with platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and Slack to interact with your agents. With InstantlyClaw, you get a fully automated business in 60 seconds, ready to help you save time, increase productivity, and scale up. Start using it today. Basically, this video, we will see together a full demo in a few minutes, but before doing so, I want to let you know that in the description below, you find the link to my bonus page that you see now on the screen. And here in the bonus page, you will find all the information that you need about the software, the funnel with the pricing that we will see together later on, and then all the unique bonuses that I prepared for you. And these bonuses are created by me to help you get the most out of Beetle, and you won't find them anywhere. Also, I invite you to take action and grab them now. These bonuses also will expire when timer here hits 0, so I really invite you to take action. But you won't find them anywhere else, and they are really congruent with free magnet. But AI, for example, the first one is AI Agent Client Playbook, your ultimate guide to finding and closing local businesses for AI services. This playbook is packed with step-by-step instructions, pro tips, and proven strategies that will help you land clients and automate your business like a pro, whether you're just starting or scaling. This cheat sheet is the perfect resource for success. And here's the best part: if you grab it through my link, it's absolutely free. That's right, you can get this comprehensive guide without spending a single penny. Click the link now to claim your free AI Agent Client Playbook and start transforming your business today. Bonus number 2, the OpenClaw cheat sheet, your quick reference guide to maximizing the power of OpenClaw and automating your business with AI. This cheat sheet provides you with the best prompts, tips, and strategies for using OpenClaw to streamline tasks like email automation, content creation, SEO, and more. If you get it through my link, you'll get this resource for free. That's right, a powerful AI automation guide with no cost to you at all. Click the link now and grab your free OpenClaw cheat sheet today and start supercharging your business with Introducing bonus number 3, Canva social media templates. a collection of ready-to-use, stunning templates to take your social media game to the next level. Whether you're promoting products, services, or simply engaging with your audience, these templates are designed to save you time while keeping your posts looking professional. And the best part, if you grab them through my link, you'll get instant access for free. That's right, beautiful templates without paying a dime. Click the link now to unlock your free Canva social media templates and start creating eye-catching posts today. Bonus number 4, the Fiverr AI Services Setup Guide. Your ultimate resource to help you start offering AI-powered services on Fiverr and scale your freelancing business. This guide will walk you through setting up your Fiverr profile, creating irresistible gigs, and marketing your AI services to attract clients. And the best part, if you get it through my link, you'll receive this valuable guide completely free. No costs, just valuable insights to get you started on Fiverr. Click the link now to get your free Fiverr AI Services Setup Guide and start earning with AI today. And finally, here's bonus number 5, All Vendor Bonus Seats, a powerful collection of exclusive bonuses from top vendors in the AI and automation space. These vendors are offering incredible resources to help you grow your business. From tools, templates, and training programs to advanced AI software and more. And the best part, if you grab these through my link, you'll get access to all of these bonuses completely free. That's right, exclusive bonuses at no cost to you. Click the link now to unlock your free all vendor bonuses and get instant access to all these amazing resources to supercharge your business. You just need to click one of these orange buttons here and it will be redirected to the official sales page of video. Is this one? And here, if you scroll down by clicking one of these buttons, you get access to the software and also to this package of unique bonuses. So I really invite you to take action now before the countdown is 0. So now let's return to the video members area and let's see together how it works. And so now we will return to my bonus page that you find in the link below this video, and here we will see together again these bonuses, and I remind you that these bonuses are available only if you buy through me and are available only until this countdown timer is 0. So you need to take action now, and these bonuses will help you a lot with InstantlyClaw will help you with your business to get more conversion, sales, and also you get all these unique vendor bonuses, which are really useful too. And to get all this package of bonuses along with the software, you just need to click one of these orange buttons. Inside my bonus page, you will go in the sales page of the vendor, and here you need to buy and you will get your bonuses. Let me quickly walk you through the instant funnel so you understand exactly what you are getting. First, we have the front-end offer priced at $37. This includes the main InstantlyClaw software, where you get a complete AI system with 9 agents, 15 built-in skills, and full hosting included. Next, you will see the bundle offer priced at $267 per year. This is the best deal because it includes the front end plus all upgrades and additional bonuses. If you skip the bundle, you will be shown the FastPass priced at $230 per year. This includes all the upsells but does not include the front end product. Now let's talk about the upsells. OTO. One is the DFY Niche Business Packs for $197. This gives you ready-made AI business setups for different niches. OTO2 is the automation upgrade for $67. This includes 25 done-for-you automation workflows for lead generation, content creation, and more. OTO3 is the unlimited version for $67 per year. This removes all limits and gives you unlimited agents, messages, and usage. OTO4 is the agency license for $197. This allows you to serve up to 25 clients and includes a white label option. OTO5 is the lifetime skills and updates for $97. This gives you access to new features and skills forever. There is also an extra offer called the Mega Bundle, priced between $77 to $97. This includes VIP training, a prompt vault, and done-for-you systems. Now here's the simple flow. You buy the front-end product, then you see the bundle offer. If you skip it, you are shown the FastPass. After that, you go through all the upsells from 1 to 5. And finally, you get the Mega Bundle as an additional offer. This is how the complete InstantlyClaw funnel works. So, basically, that's all for my review of Beetle. Thanks for staying with me, and I invite you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification button so you can be updated whenever a new review is out. Thanks again for staying with me. See you in my next video.